So, the Needoh Squishmas Advent Calendar is basically a 24-day Christmas countdown filled with mini sensory toys, with each toy designed around different colors, shapes, and textures. The official calendar is made by Shilling and each mini toy is only about 1.25 inches tall, so these are much smaller than standard Needoh toys. The biggest thing the marketing doesn't tell you is that you need to be careful about where you buy it. There are numerous customer reports of counterfeit versions being sold online, with complaints about blurry packaging, spelling mistakes, cheap squishies, and products that don't match the advertised calendar. I'd also keep expectations realistic about what's inside. The official version contains 24 different mini Needoh toys, but they're tiny collectibles rather than 24 full-sized versions of the popular squishies. So, is the Needoh Squishmas Advent Calendar worth buying? It could be a fun gift, but make sure you're getting the genuine Shilling version and compare the seller carefully before paying. Overall, the product itself can be a fun Christmas countdown, but the bigger risk is accidentally buying a cheap knockoff that doesn't match the marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.